Welcome to Scaling to Six Figures. My name is Jacob Rothenberg. I have been a full-time online marketer. I've been doing Kindle publishing for almost 4 years now, and I'm going to talk to you today about the proper mindset, attitude, and expectations you should have while trying to scale up your Kindle publishing business. Now, if you know anything about me already, I'm not really a huge mindset, if you can believe it, you achieve it kind of guy, but there is no denying that you do need a proper set of expectations along with the right attitude in order to deal with the obstacles and adversities that'll come at you when you're trying to scale a Kindle publishing business or any business. So the reality is, guys, there is no way to get rich quick, to get rich through some kind of too easy to be true method. The honest truth is that it's going to take time, a lot of work, and some sacrifices in order to start up and inevitably scale up your Kindle publishing business. Now, I've got to say it in this video, why is scaling important? Scaling is not only important, it's necessary, it's essential for your business. As we have a saying in the sport of powerlifting, if you're not going to get better, if you're not getting better, you're getting worse. There is no such thing as staying stagnant, because if you're staying stagnant, you're actually getting worse as you're losing out on improvement over time. Time is of the essence. So time is of the essence. We don't know where Kindle publishing will be 5 years out from now necessarily. So you need to scale now, you need to scale right away, and you need to grow now. There is no delay, there is no waiting. So with that, first of all, you need to understand scaling your business initially, for most of you watching, is not going to be a profitable venture. Meaning to say, what you'll be doing essentially is taking either some startup money you have, or you'll be doing your own books, you'll be investing your own time and efforts into writing your own books, and from the money that you hopefully make from your initial first set of books, you're going to reinvest that money and put it back into the business. And if necessary, you might even have to invest more money into the business to really get it going. So case in point, when I started in Kindle publishing, I did write my own books. I did have to reinvest everything that I made back into, obviously more books, but also ads, advertising for the titles that I had, courses and continuing education. Now, I'm not going to upsell you a course during this video series. We've got lots of free content already on YouTube. But what I'm meaning to say is you'll be also developing out your infrastructure. You might decide, hey, this is really taking off. I might have to hire an accountant. I might have to hire an assistant, a virtual assistant, in fact, to run the administrative tasks. So keep in mind, you're not going to be able to, well, for most of you, quit your job within the next 3 or 4 months. It took me a year and a half. And from what I've seen personally, it does take an average of about, with someone really working hard, like hard full-time on this business, about 1 year to a year and a half to quit your job and make a full-time income from this. So whether your goal is to have the cash flow generated from this business to pay off your rent, to pay down your mortgage, to cover your bills, quit your job, travel, or just have extra funds to invest in other opportunities, that's all possible with Kindle publishing, and that's what you're going to have to realize. With expectations, just know, again, this is not going to be easy. At times, it's going to be a little bit repetitive. You are going to have to learn some new online platforms, so there's definitely a lot of learning that's going to be facilitated, and you just have to be a little bit patient while you ride out this wave. So that's what I've got to say. Let's hop on to the next video, and we're going to talk about your overall publishing infrastructure that you're going to design. See you in the next video.